What's up, guys? So if you're watching this, pretty sure you already know what's going on. It's Monday. Hopefully, you guys don't see my packaging information. But it's Monday, and Mondays are for the M. And I got the knife, got a box, and my pockets are empty. I'm just burning a hole in my pockets. So now, take it upon myself. I'm gonna open this baby. Let's see how we're gonna get in here. Try to do it the nice way. That didn't work. This knife isn't good for anything. The knife could barely cut it. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Bam. I'm getting somewhere now. So, I'm not completely sure what I ordered, but I know it's expensive. Oh, you can see it. I remember now. Oh, I was treating this way too... Oh, Lord. Let's hope for the best. So, it'll be the first time I see this. The first time you guys see this too. Take a guess at what this is. I'll wait. Look at the shape. Cover this right here. Packaging was pretty nice. The tape on the box was weak as hell, but nobody got to open it. Question is how I get in here. I was trying to rip this. Put it in here somehow. They put this in here without. I guess I'm gonna have to rip this. Let's hope for the best. Oh Lord, I've been wanting this for such a long time. Woo! Okay. Let's get to it. So, before I take this off, well, make sure you go in the comments and comment what you think this is. If you get it right, you might get a little prize. You know? You never know. I might feel generous. M Mondays, where the M3 burns a hole in my pockets. Really nice packaging. Nice and soft. Looking like little babies. I don't even know where I was going with that. Just know it's soft. I'm tired of being nice to this thing. Let's go. Bam. Imagine I just break this, it's cracked. I'll be sad right now. So I'll crack for a second. This is that sauce. That sauce no one wants to pay for. Only an idiot like me would. Don't judge me, guys. I can barely speak English. This knife is not helping. It's like extremely dull for no reason. Oh no, we gotta go install this ASAP. Carbon weave is not perfect. The fuck is this shit? Bro, it is cracked. What the? Why did I need to jinx myself and say it was cracked? Now this is actually cracked. Horsepower freaks. Horn intake. Intake. Horn valve cover. If you know what I mean, you know where I said cover twice. Because this is the cover to the valve cover. Before you guys want to go and flame me on the comments. Wow, it's really cracked. I feel like crying right now. If you guys know how much this goes for, and you guys paid what I paid for it, and you see this crack right here, you would be sick. Now what am I gonna do? This is extremely annoying. I'll be back, guys. Give me a second. So after a long time of me wanting this, I put all my little pennies together and saved up to get this valve cover. That does not add no type of horsepower to my car. Let alone this is like $500. And guess what? It comes home and it has this crack on it. And I know you guys might say, you're dragging it, bro. It's a little baby crack. It's on the front of the cover. That's one. It's on the front of the cover. That's one. Two, this is over $500. Like, I'm not gonna say over, but it's like 500. I forgot how much it was. Pretty sure it's somewhere around $500. If I pay $500 for this little piece and it comes with this crack, you can't really tell on the screen probably how bad it is, but it's bad because once it sits on the car, it's gonna be like this. The crack's gonna be right in the front by my vanos. I don't want that. That's not what I paid for. Look at that horn though. Man, I'm sick. Not what I expected, man. Look at how nice this was gonna look. Imagine the crack was never there. Let alone, I don't even know if this is gonna fit properly. Cause if you guys ever had carbon fiber pieces, you would know that depending on what mold they use, they might not fit perfectly and might need to be modified. So this might also need to be modified, which I don't know right now at this point. At this point, I really don't know if I gotta modify this to fit my vehicle. And it's cracked. Mind you, I paid the high for it. That's really annoying if you ask me, but this is a video, man. Let's see, I just hit them up. Hopefully they answer me. If not, I'm pretty much sick because it's cracked. What can I do? But yeah, man, just remember, always show love. Stop being a hater. Stop hating on people. Go check on your moms. Go be kind. Go do something nice, man. Don't do this. I'm out of here.